5 tips to make your 2023 more productive. Have you ever thought about it? Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Dr. Sreeveni, an author, an image specialist and a self-transformations catalyst, self-worth influencer. How are you going to make your 2023 productive? Have you thought about it? Here I am going to give you 5 areas, 5 tips. Let's go ahead with the health, which is the basic concept of your bodily functions. So have a health goal. When you have a health goal, go ahead, even if you have small pauses in that health goal, go ahead and go complete it. When you are doing this, slowly, one step after another, you are having a control on your health. The second tip is wealth goal. Have a wealth goal. Start monitoring your finances. If you have not done till now, from here afterwards, go ahead and start. And this will be the best gift which you will give yourself. Monitor your finances. This is the second one. And come to the third, your relationships. Go ahead and give time to your relationships. My dear friends, 2023, how to make it most productive. Watch this video till the end. You are going to monitor your relationships as well. Your personal relationships, your professional relationships. Think about it, audit your relationships. If somebody has not been giving you importance, if they have not been giving you the first priority, just discard. You also audit your relationships. People who don't need you or who don't want to be with you, do not have them on your contact list. This is how you audit your relationships and give importance to the people who need your services, who want to be with you, who love you, who care for you. Give them the first priority. This is the third one. Then fourth, inculcate the habits which you want to. One of this is reading habit. Go ahead and start devoting at least 30 minutes into a reading habit. I have my books on Amazon as of now. These books also, I am giving you the links in the description, and you can also order these books and start a habit of reading books. You could read books in your own areas which you love the most, either a self-help book or fiction book, or whatever you would love to. Inculcate that as a habit in your daily routine. The fourth, whatever you are doing in your own domain area, whether be it your career or whether be it your other hobby area, in your own domain area, go ahead and devote time. That also parallelly. Check out, inculcate that as a habit. You will be seeing exponentially the growth of your whatever area you are focusing. Where you focus, you see the growth there. This is the fourth, inculcating the habit. Now comes the fifth point, where be mindful, become self-aware, be in the positive zone. Come what may, don't get triggered in the negative sense. Just take it as a positive frame. Yes, there will be challenges. Face it, embrace it, and that is what it is going to lead you to expand further. So keeping these 5 into considerations, go ahead and make your 2023 very productive, most productive. Use it to your best. This is the best gift you can give to yourself. If you love this content, please like, comment and share to your near and dear ones, and also do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.